Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to disable or turn off the fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened the Terabox app over here. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the personal vault option available for us. Personal vault available for us just above the recycling bin, which is the third option. Tap on personal vault, and after opening your personal vault section on your Terabox, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this drop down menu appears, tap on the settings button over here, and you can see the fingerprint unlock option available for us, which is the second option. Now in order to turn off or disable the fingerprint lock on your Terabox Vault, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the fingerprint unlock option where it is the toggle icon, and when it turns to gray, your fingerprint lock on your Terabox Vault app will be disabled or turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off or disable the fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.